Yeah, girls, the bad the bad Ooh, What's that? I'll stand up and twerk. I'll shock you. Try me. Twerker. Try me. Hey, go.
I love you deep in my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Miss AKF Corner here. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and guess what? It's my jolly partner's birthday. Yup. And so this morning it was supposed to be election Saturday, so I promised that I was going to make Akara this morning before we set out to go and vote. However, it was cancelled, but because it is still her birthday, I decided to go ahead with the plan. So I'm making Akara for her this morning. So basically, come along, see what not a typical Saturday, because on Saturdays I go to work, but one of my Saturdays looks like. Thank you. So in this bowl I have my already peeled, soaked and blended beans. I started recording quite late because my son was dragging my phone with me. Anyways, this is the texture I want, because this is Akara. It's a different texture from moi of Akara. It's preferably thick so that you are able to scoop, and also it gets the kind of texture you desire for frying. I had at this point already mixed a bit, but then I'll go ahead again to continue whisking. Watch out for the difference between what it is now and what it will later become after properly whisking the Akara. I honestly prefer whisking because it's fluffy, and then it just turns out really nice and crunchy, and that's it. It's very crunchy when you eat. Okay, so please note that I did not add anything. I had not added anything. It's just the blended Akara, blended beans that you have in this bowl that I'm currently whisking. After this first stage, after getting this first texture, I'm going to add my salt, then again continue whisking. Can you see? I don't know. It's just the stress of peeling beans, which is not so stressful because I make use of my processor. I wish I showed that part. My processor peeled the beans. All I just need to do is wash out the skin. It still takes a lot of time. I think I just don't like stress. Soft life, Anyways, this is what my Akara is looking like. I enjoy this part actually. I can stay there whisking and mixing, for as long as I want. But then Akara needs to be made. We need to eat this food, you get. So enjoy. After whisking a bit, I added the salt. Now I'm going in with my scotch bonnet and my onions. These two powerful ingredients spice or takes my Akara to another level. I can't imagine eating without pepper. Now, Yoruba woman where I be. Anyways, so I'm just going to add this, and then I'll continue to whisk. The amount of pepper you would add, it depends on your the quantity of beans blended. Mine is a lot, so that's why the pepper is a lot. Plus, I still need my pepper to, I still need to feel pepper in it. It wasn't so bad after all, but then I like it. Anyway, so I'm just going to continue whisking this now. So I'm all done with mixing this right now, and this my baby is calling for attention. See his face. I had even taken his bath, giving him food before I even started cooking, but then this guy needs his mom, so I need to quickly attend to my son before I continue with the food. Happy baby, happy mom, you know what they say. Anyways, let me take care of this boy, then we continue. Thank you.
Can't see. Yay! Feel better now? So I can continue working. Thank you, baby.
So I'm just going to quickly clear up all I used before in the process of peeling the shaft and also mixing the beans, so that I can start frying. I just needed everywhere to be a bit clear, so that my head can be straight when I'm frying this lovely mix. Yeah. So for some reason I prefer to use this pot because it is deep and then it can help in managing oil. I have the big frying pan, but then I'm going to need a lot of oil because akara is kind of deep frying. Even though it comes up, but then you need a lot of oil to fry akara. So I would rather use this size of pot so that I can manage the oil I have. So yes, this is what I have. I'm just going to add oil right now, in preparing to cook, basically. I'll just go in with my onions into the oil so that I can get more flavor, spread across. I'm tempted to add palm oil to this, but because I'm doing it for a lot of people, I have to be very considerate. Look at my mixture, very fluffy. It's giving the puff vibe. You know what I'm about to make. It is akara, and it's so lovely. So yeah. It is actually very easy to drop when the texture is good. Like when you get the right texture, you pick and it drops. It's not like the watery form. It's not. I just love the form. It's very, very okay like this when I don't add much water blending, and then when I mix properly. So beautiful. Anyways, it's just a whole lot of frying and frying and frying and frying. I'm not sure I'm going to show everything, but this is how it started. I'll show you how it's going. Yes, this is the first finished product, the first batch. I made a whole lot of batch, but this is the first one in case I don't get to show you the others. This is what it looks like. Ewara akara o yala akara today. Akara olororo to gbona. I don't know. Well, I remember back then I used to buy akara in my area then in Ketsu. It was something I really enjoyed. Anyways, look, I've done a whole lot. See where I am. In the course of frying, I had to add more oil because the oil would continue to reduce as you fry. So I added more, then continued frying because again,
Yes, look at our cake now. Look at our cake now. Hey, look at our cake now. Look at our happy birthday, wifey. Husband of the year goes to FTD. Oh yeah, now. Also, she got iPhone 12. She already did the unboxing before I got there. So me, I'm just here snapping pali and touching and hoping that my own iPhone 12 will come soon. Anyways, this is it. This is our beautiful phone. I'm not with the phone. I'm going to show you the phone. I think she held it at some point, but you're going to see the phone. This is just me playing with palio. I don't know, touching pali and going round and round and round and round. Anyways, it's still the birthday mood. We are still having fun. So we went to greet the birthday girl. We are all going to chill at least a bit now.
Yeah,
something like that.
What's that? I'll stand up and twerk. I'll shock you. Try me. Twerker. Try me.
Traffic outside here is bad. All the way from Kano down to.
Anyways, we are here. Look at the birthday cake.
Yes,
I have.
Cake, not a smudge.
You can tell who did this
it is supposed to be smudged. That's
by
This.
Anyways, we are still here. See the phone. See, the flashing of phone for me. You say, flash it.
Make them meet me.
You walking like this. When you go to buy something, and please do you have.
I'm so happy.
Exactly, the hair. Now you just get out to use the phone.
You know,
The hair.
so.
What did I?
Shaking in church. Praise the Lord.
Wait, you want the thing.
They're gonna do one like this. Praise the Lord. I have a testimony. Where's the microphone?
What you say?
So,
As a right-handed
as
person.
a right-handed person, as a left-handed person, they want to gel. Maybe you guys it together. Instead of them to put their right hand. Please, can you help me pass this song?
The Akara's finished.
You know who came to collect it before we
You
eat
have to carry it last one.
it? I'll give service.
Okay, for a beans.
Not me care, I'll give for beans.
Birthday is
I'll
birthday.
give plantain the beans.
Akara. Gone.
I don't know what happened. I don't know.
Thank God I came to eat the last one.
I was here on my own and they brought Akara, daddy came.
I know the other guy said, look at me, he was praying, I just came. I collected the car, I was like, amen.
It's too much food that is what you like it too much. Be like me. I don't.
Exactly, I second it. I thought
Story
What is see the
time.
person that ate the Akara. Look at his mouth.
Even Abel ate
It's
Akara.
Eh? Smell his mouth. If you smell like that, it's not.
I'm the giant.
That one, egg, odogu.
This one is Akara.